how to fix missing gender, size and color on Shopify. So, if your gender, size or color options are missing from your Shopify store, it could be due to missing product variants, incorrect meta fields or theme issues. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix this step by step. Let's get started. So, first of all, navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to products. Now, select the product where gender, size or color is missing. Scroll down to the variant section, and if there are no size, color or gender options in the variants, what you'll have to do is click on add options like size or color, then click add variant. Now, in the option name, enter size. Now, in the option values, you can enter any kind of size you want, like a small, another value could be medium or large. Now, click on done. After this, you can click on add another option. Now, you can add an option like color and add option values that you want to add. It could be anything like black, white, red, blue or any option available. Click on done. Now, you can also add another option like add another option and gender. Now, choose men, women or unisex. So, I'm going to enter option values as men and women and click on done. Now, click save at the top right and it would instantly fix the problem. Now, step 2 is checking the theme setting. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, then navigate to themes. After you navigate to themes, click on customize on your active theme and check the product page settings to see if the variant selector is enabled. Now, if the option isn't available on your product page, what you'll have to simply do is try switching to a default Shopify theme like Dawn to see if the issue is theme related. Now, step 3 is verifying meta fields and products. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, then click on custom data. Now, click products and check if gender, size and color is listed as meta field. If missing, click the add definition button at the top right and create new meta fields for them according to your preference. You can assign the correct values to your products and save changes. Now, step 4 is ensuring your product data is correct. So if you have imported products from another platform, missing attributes can cause this issue. Go to Shopify admin, then navigate to products, then navigate to edit, then click on that product, then check that gender, size and color are properly listed under variants in this section. If missing, re-add them and save the changes. Now, visit the Shopify store, go to your product page and ensure that size, color and gender variants are showing up correctly. If it's still missing, clear cache or try another browser to fix this problem. And that's how you fix the missing gender, size and color options on Shopify. If this video helped, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and drop the comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.